tools in order to estimate the measurement uncertainty for the testings. I will cover both physical testings and also chemical testings for the measurement uncertainty because they are using different approach, but many of the concepts and principles are similar. I thought you already read it. Oh, okay. First time taking this course. Okay. And so the approach is I will teach both physical and chemical, and I will also teach one more powerful tools called the Monte Carlo. Okay? I think if you guys go outside to have a 3-day course for measurement uncertainty, you might not be able to learn how to do a approach called Monte Carlo. Do you know what is Monte Carlo? Anyone know what is Monte Carlo? It's a place in Europe, in Morocco, and this place, the most famous place is the casino. Okay, and Monte Carlo is is the capital of a very small country. Okay, I think it's similar to that of Hong Kong in the size of similar to that of Hong Kong. And there, the most famous things got two things. One is Formula One, and the other is the casino. And Monte Carlo, in fact, is a kind of technique learned by gambler. Okay, they use probability to determine something. And what we go to do is we use a technique called Monte Carlo to estimate the measurement uncertainty. Okay, by the use of probability density. Okay, you will learn about that later on in this course. Okay, some of you guys might already. I believe some of you guys, when you see these notes, might be quite familiar because if you the copy of my lecture notes is can be found everywhere. Okay, you can find it in other university. They use the same notes for this course, I think. For the measurement uncertainty part, and actually the material is divided by me, and I will guide you to learn about that. And the course my parts do not have assignments. Okay, don't worry. You only have one thing to do, is to pass the exam. Okay, and the exam will be is tentatively on 20th of April. Okay, 6:30. Okay, be prepared to come earlier because it's not near the MTR stations. It's in the main campus. Okay, at the University Mall. Okay, we call that 百萬大道. Okay, and the building is called Cho Building. Okay, it's the computer center, and you will go up to first floor. There will be a training room number 2, and we will have that. And why we have that? Because it will give you everyone a computer. Okay, everyone will have a computer to work on the exam. You can still bring your calculator, but I would suggest you to use Excel. Okay, and no internet is allowed. And that's the arrangement for that. Okay, and I think only some of you might not know about me, okay? Although some of you quite afraid of me, okay, because of the low score in the first semesters. I believe so. And who am I? I'm a general associate professor here since 2013. Okay, more than 10 years ago. And I graduated here. I graduated in the Department of Chemistry many years ago. Okay, I graduated more than 30 years. Okay, I'm quite old already. And currently I'm the expert witness for the EPD. Okay, I help them to done all the lawsuit case, including the waste plastics or